This dance is called Good Fight. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, improve a level line dance with 3 restarts. Starting on the right foot, rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, into a cross shuffle, cross, side, cross. Make a quarter turn right as you step back on your left, step the right to the side, cross shuffle, left over right, cross, side, cross. That set of steps once more then, side rock, cross shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle, turn side, cross shuffle. Step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right. Into a kick ball cross, left foot leading, kick ball cross. Rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, sailor, quarter turn left, crossing the left behind the right, making that quarter turn side to side. That set of steps once more then, side touch into that kick ball cross off on the right. 7, 8, side touch, kick ball cross, side rock, sailor turn. Let's add those two sections together. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle, turn side, cross shuffle, side touch, kick ball cross, side rock, sailor turn. Into half figure of 8. So we're going to step the right to the side, cross left behind, make a quarter turn right as you step forward on that right. Step forward on the left, pivot half a turn right, make a further quarter turn right as you step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left, and we're going to put the quarter turn on the end of this one, quarter turn left, stepping that left forward. Half figure of 8 with the turn at the end. That set of steps once more then, off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, turn. Now that is the equivalent of a full turn in that half figure of 8. If you wish to try and take that out, your non-turning steps would be vine to the right, side, behind, side. So don't put that quarter turn on at that point. Cross rock, left over right, recover your weight back on the right. That takes out the step, pivot half. Now we're just going to vine back to the left, side, behind, and put that quarter turn left on the end. Non-turning steps, should you need to take out that half figure of 8. So let's add that to the top. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle, turn side, cross shuffle, side touch, kick ball cross, side rock, sailor turn, side behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, turn. Shuffle forward on the right. Step forward on the left, pivot half a turn to the right. Shuffle forward on the left and add on a full turn over 2 steps. So half turns left. If you don't wish to do this full turn, just walk forward, right, left. Otherwise it's half a turn left as you step the right back, half a turn left as you step that left forward. That set of steps once more then, shuffling forward on the right. 7, 8, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, full turn. End of dance when we get to that point, let's put it all together. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle, turn side, cross shuffle, side touch, kick ball cross, side rock, sailor turn, side behind, turn, step, pivot, turn behind, turn, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, full turn. So that's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So that is your dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Side rock cross shuffle off on the right. 7, 8. Side rock, cross shuffle, turn side, cross shuffle, side touch, kick ball cross, side rock, sailor turn, side behind, turn step, pivot, turn behind, turn right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, full turn, side rock, cross shuffle, turn side, cross shuffle, side touch, kick ball cross, side rock, sailor turn, side behind, turn step, pivot, turn behind, turn, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, full turn, side rock, cross shuffle, turn side, cross shuffle, side touch, kick ball cross, side rock, sailor turn, side behind, turn step, pivot, turn behind, side, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, full turn. So that's your dance. Now there are 3 restarts in this dance. They come on walls 3, 6 and 8 in 2 different places. So wall 3 and wall 8 will both be your 6 o'clock wall. You will dance 16 counts of the dance and restart. So halfway through the dance you stop before you go into your half figure of 8. So let's just do wall 3 or 8. Take you up to that restart point, restart the dance. Side rock, cross shuffle off on the right. 7, 8. Side rock, cross shuffle, turn side, cross shuffle, side touch, kick ball cross, side rock, sailor turn, restart, side rock, cross shuffle. So that's your restart point on walls 3 and 8. Wall 6 will be your front wall. Your restart point on this wall is after 8 counts. So you'll have done your side rock cross shuffle, turn side cross shuffle, and we restart. Wall 6 take you up to that point. Side rock cross shuffle off on the right. 7, 8. Side rock, cross shuffle, turn side, cross shuffle, restart, side rock, cross shuffle. So those are your restart points. So that's it. That's your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your restart information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Side rock, cross shuffle, turn side, cross shuffle, side touch, kick cross, side rock, sailor turn, side behind, turn step, pivot, turn behind, turn, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, forward turn, side rock, cross shuffle, turn side, cross shuffle, side touch, kick cross, side rock, sailor turn, side behind, turn step, pivot, turn behind, turn, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, forward turn. side rock, cross shuffle, turn side, cross shuffle, side touch, kick or cross, side rock, sailor, restart, side rock, cross shuffle, turn side, cross shuffle, side touch, kick or cross, side rock, sailor step, wiggle remains. Right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, forward turn, side rock, cross shuffle, turn side, cross shuffle, side touch, kick or cross, side rock, sailor, wiggle remains. Right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, forward turn, side rock, restart wall, restart, side rock,
So easy to fall in love,
side touch,
so easy to let it go,
wiggle remains,
so easy to give it up, back
shuffle,
in and quit the show.
side rock,
Ain't nothing easy about
so
it,
next restart wall,
somebody is a step in love.
restart, side rock,
Still making a long drive,
side touch,
still working overtime,
wiggle remains,
still lying by your side,
shuffle,
even in the break divide.
side rock,
Still staying up all night,
side touch,
holding on just to make it right. Still
wiggle remains,
fighting the good
shuffle,
fight. Still fighting the good fight. Still making me crazy, still calling me baby, still lying by your side, even in the great divide. Still staying up all night, holding on till we make it right. Still fighting the good fight. Still fighting the good fight.
Hope you managed that one.